watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Hey there, and thank you so much for watching. So today's video is part 2 of my extreme kitchen cleaning and organization. If you haven't seen part 1, stop what you're doing and check that out first. In there, I show you the entire state of the kitchen and the amazing organizers I use to organize the pantry. If you enjoy this, please hit the like button and subscribe if you are new here, and let's get started. The first thing I'm tackling are our drawers, and I'm tackling the silverware drawer first. I purchased this compact silverware holder from Amazon. You guys, it's a lifesaver. It stacks them on top of each other so you still have room in the drawer for other items. And I'm placing reusable straws and any kind of big silverware that didn't fit in the compact container. The next drawer is for baking tools and stand mixer accessories. Each item is placed in their own container so it is neat and organized. I got these from Container Store, and those will be listed down below.
Was it really what we had in mind? Running wild, only losing time. Yeah, we left here without love. We're out of time, and time don't wait. We're in heaven, but we lost our way. We're out of time, again and again. Thought we'd make it, but we lost in the end. Yeah, lost in the end. Out of time again. Yeah, lost in the end. We're out of time again. Yeah, we lost in the end. You only call.
The next big project is the refrigerator. I'm removing all old and expired items one section at a time and wiping it clean with the Mrs. Meyer's Peony Spray.
Something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures.
I'm also taking each piece of the fridge and washing them by hand so they are nice and clean.
Give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better.
If you're watching so far, definitely give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it, and also subscribe. I film all different types of videos, from planning to beauty to lifestyle videos such as this one, so there's definitely a video for you on this channel, and I would love to have you join the family. Also, let me know if you are cleaning as well, or if you are just watching and relaxing.
Waiting, it's like we're stuck. You won't grow up, and I'm getting tired. I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can sudden, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons.
To store the eggs, I purchased this acrylic container from Home Goods. I also purchased these containers from the Container Store for yogurt, drinks, meat. And the white sealed container is from IKEA, which stores any kind of raw meat like chicken or bacon. I love doing it this way because it hides any kind of smell and it keeps it in its own container just in case anything spills out. It's not over the entire refrigerator.
Enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted.
Moving on to our spice cabinet, I'm removing each item one shelf at a time and wiping it clean before rearranging the items back on. I purchased 2 more Lazy Susans for the spices and moved any duplicate items to my stockpile shelf.
Things you said, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough.
Now I'm giving the counters a deep clean using my Mrs. Meyer's and baking soda. The baking soda just helps to remove any grease or stickiness on the counters and the backsplashes.
I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah.
I'm also going through each cabinet to rearrange any items that are cluttered or messy or don't belong. There were a lot of appliances bundled up in this cabinet, so I consolidated our baking pans to the cabinet next to and under the stove to make some more room.
There are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy.
If you see all the plants that I have in my kitchen and my apartment, and you're interested in knowing a little bit more about them, I have a plant tour coming up very soon, so definitely subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified when I upload the video.
Me, like someone pretty need a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You're changing me, day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty need a different side of me, yeah, yeah.
Cleaning the sink. Again, I'm using baking soda and I'm using my Method antibacterial spray to clean up any dirt and grime, and then using my Pledge spray to give the sink faucet a nice shine.
A different side of me, yeah.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it, yeah. All hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my.
I'm giving my cooktop a nice scrub using this cooktop cleaner and polish and a microfiber towel and paper towel to get rid of all of the leftover food and also just random water spots. So annoying, but this really does get rid of all of it.
But I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it, yeah. All hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream.
If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I know it is a long one. As always, links to all products used in this video will be in the description box for you. Please subscribe and like if you haven't already, and I hope to see you soon in a new video. Bye!